Good morning, Otters, and welcome to your last maths lesson via home learning. I hope you're all as excited as I am to return to school tomorrow. Our last maths lesson is to subtract a 3-digit number from another 3-digit number. This time there will be an exchange, okay? I've set up 2 questions for you already, and I would like you to have a think and see if you can work out where the exchange will be. Remember, it's always this top row, subtract this bottom row. So is the exchange going to be in the ones column, the tens, or the hundreds? And then can you do the same over here? So where do you think the exchange will be? In the ones, the tens, or the hundreds? So if you pause me here and have a think, and then press play when you're ready to find out the answer. Okay then, guys, hopefully if we had a look over here, remember it's this top number subtracting the bottom one. Hundreds, 2 subtract 1. We can do that, there are enough hundreds. In the tens column, 5 tens subtract 3 tens, we can do that as well, there are enough tens. Last column then, it must be the ones. 4 ones subtract 8 ones. We'd end up going in negative numbers, which we don't want to do. Therefore, the exchange is in that ones column. Now over here, same again. Let's have a look at those hundreds. So I've got 400 subtract 200s, that's fine. I've got enough hundreds. Over here in the tens, I've got 1 10 subtract 4 tens. It's not I can't do that. If I did that, it would give me a negative number, which I don't want. Therefore, I'm going to be exchanging in that tens column. And just to double check, I'm going to check the ones anyway. 8 ones subtract 2 ones. Yes, I can do that. So the exchange is definitely in that tens column. Moving back to our first question, okay, hopefully you remember we always start in our ones column. 4 ones subtract 8 ones. We've already said I can't do that without getting a negative number. Today I'm going to start by drawing my base 10. So I've got 2 hundreds. To save a bit of time, I'm just going to do a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay, that is my number. I cannot subtract 8 ones here without going into a negative number, therefore I have to exchange. Can you remember what I would exchange for? Hopefully you said we're going to have to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. So that's crossing out my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10 extra ones. I am not adding on 6 to make this 10. It's 10 completely new ones. And to show this on my column subtraction, I haven't got 5 tens anymore. Go back down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 tens, and I haven't got 4 ones anymore. I've got 14 ones, so I show that by putting that 10 there. You have to show me this working out, please. This shows me your exchange. Now, going back to my question, 14 ones take away 8 ones. I can do that quite happily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 6 ones. Tens column. 4 tens subtract 3 tens. I can do 1, 2, 3. Leaves me with 1 10 left. And then for my hundreds, 2 hundreds subtract 100 equals 100. You could have done that a bit mentally, I think. So your answer would have been 116. Moving on to this second one, we've already said that the exchange is going to be in the tens column. I'm still going to draw my number. So I've still got 400 and 18. So 1 10 and 8 ones. 8 ones take away 2 ones. I can do that. 1, 2. Leaves me with 2, 4, 6 ones left. That's fine, no exchange there. This is where we've got the exchange. So 1 10 subtract 4 tens. I don't have enough tens at the minute. What can I exchange to get me some more tens? Hopefully you said we could exchange 100 for 10 tens. So I'm going to exchange that one for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 extra tens. We're ignoring that one, okay? Now, I've got now I don't have 400s anymore. I've got 1, 2, I've got 300, so I need to put a cross through that and write my 300s. Going to my 10s, I haven't got 1 10 anymore. I've got 11 10s, so I need to add that 10 in there, that 100 in there. Now I can do 11 10 subtract 4 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4 subtracted. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s, or 70 if you want to count up in your 10s. Hundreds, I got 3 hundreds, which is what that says there. Subtract 2 hundreds, 100, 200, leaves me with 100 left. Your answer would be 176. The video explains this in more detail, but if you're finding yourself stuck, go back to this bit and watch me how I've presented it. Go back to drawing your resources, okay? Enjoy your last maths lesson, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!